Watermelon grafting. Begin by selecting a healthy watermelon vine, choosing one that is strong and free of damage. From this vine, carefully pick the tender shoot at the very tip, as this part contains the most vitality and will adapt best to grafting. Next, prepare a vigorous pumpkin seedling already growing in the soil. Gently remove the soft top shoot of the pumpkin, creating space for the new graft to take hold. This seedling will serve as the sturdy rootstock, providing strength and resilience for the watermelon to grow. Now, take the tender watermelon shoot you collected. With a sharp, clean blade, cut the base of the shoot at an angle, making a double-sided slant cut about 7 to 8 centimeters in length. This angled surface increases the contact area, allowing the two plants to connect more securely. Using the splitting method, carefully open the stem of the pumpkin seedling, making a split of about 1.5 centimeters. The split should be neat and even, ensuring there is enough space for the watermelon shoot to fit snugly inside. Insert the prepared watermelon shoot into the opening of the pumpkin stem, aligning the cut surfaces closely together. Once positioned, wrap the grafting point firmly with a thin film, so the two stems stay tightly pressed against each other. This close contact encourages the tissues to fuse and heal. Trim away any excess strips of film, and use the cut pieces to reinforce the wrapping, making sure the grafting point is secure but not overly tight. When wrapping the upper tender shoot, keep it slightly looser. This allows for a small amount of airflow and prevents the delicate shoot from losing too much water through evaporation, which could slow down the healing process. Finally, leave the tip of the watermelon shoot exposed to the air. This helps the young shoot breathe freely and increases the chances of the graft healing successfully, greatly improving the overall survival rate of the grafted plant.